Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, and this is where you get soothing affirmations to help you navigate the relationships, the workplaces, the family dynamics that we all face. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you also to those of you who have reached out to share your love for the last few episodes of Affirmation Pod, including the last two. Those were self-confidence affirmations, which is episode 560, and last week's episode, affirmations for reaching out and reaching in. That one's episode 561. Today's episode is called Following Through with Decisions. We've all needed to make decisions around a romantic relationship, a friendship, a friend group, or maybe it's with a family member, a workplace, a particular philosophy or belief system. We've all had times we've had to make the difficult decision that we need to fully commit to and follow through with. We may experience resistance and so many heavy feelings around these decisions. So this episode, which is episode 562, is here to help you with just that. So here is affirmations for following through with your decisions. Some decisions I wish were unnecessary. But it gets to a point where it is necessary. Even when the decision is difficult, I know I need to make it and commit to it. I follow through. It may get uncomfortable. It may get painful. It may get awful. I follow through with my decisions. I am committed to moving forward and getting to the other side. There are losses that come with any decision. I recognize them and follow through with the choice I've made. I remember the reasons for making these decisions. I remember the intention, the purpose, and the goal. This is the path I am taking. This is my commitment to moving forward, even in the hard moments. I am following through with my decisions. Making the decision is one step. Following through consistently and clearly, that's the commitment to the decision that gets you to the other side. Please remember this episode is here for you anytime you are struggling with following through with your decisions. If you'd prefer to listen to the episode without ads and without announcements, this is available when you become a Premium Access member. Premium Access members get all the episodes of Affirmation Pod, ad and announcement free. Premium Access also unlocks for you over 100 bonus episodes that you won't hear on this podcast. Find out more or join today by going to affirmationpod.com/join. That's affirmationpod.com/join. Hey, it's Josie here. Thanks for listening today. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to play another episode right now.